Dear and Reverend Sister Maria Rita, Delegate Superior, Sister Mary Shah, Manager, my dear colleagues, dear members of parent community, and my beloved students, wish you all a pleasant morning. Unlike other years, 15th August 2020, we have virtual celebration of Independence Day. Before all else, what I want to tell you is that we teachers really miss you, dear students. We miss your laughter, your cheer, your scream, and of course, I know all of you feel the same. The school life is something really enriching, especially the bond of friendship that you enjoy in school, a platform wherein you improve the social skills. This wide spread of COVID 19 has forced us to continue learning online. But one thing we learned that no virus can hinder us. Still, we keep our relation vibrant. Still, we learn all our lessons. You meet your teachers every day. You interact with them, don't you? No government has said that class 1 students of this academic year will repeat next year in the same class as the school is not opened. You will of course be promoted to the next class, to the next grade. This pandemic has taught us some lessons in life. Parents will agree with me. We have learned a lot. Learned to adjust a lot. Let's move forward with an optimistic mind, trusting in God. Coming to the day's events, Mother India is to be honored on her significant day in a befitting manner. However, at this time of rapid spread of pandemic, it's imperative to follow certain preventive measures such as maintaining social distancing, wearing of mask, proper sanitization, avoiding large congregations, protecting our vulnerable people, etc. This day is also an emotional reminder of the sacrifices the founding fathers of our nation, along with numerous freedom fighters who gave their lives to the country, who wanted this nation to be independent and happy. World's fourth largest and powerful military is our Indian Defense Forces works in one of the world's toughest battlefields. They are our real heroes. Hope you remember what had happened this June in the wake of the Chinese border aggression, Eastern Ladakh, which claimed the lives of 20 Indian soldiers. Now, when the entire country is celebrating the day, our soldiers are away from family, defending the country at its frontiers. Let's salute today the people who fought for the independence of our country and all Indian soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country. We shall also remember the departed souls of the people who lost their lives in the landslide at Rajamala and in Air India Express plane crash in Kozhikode, and all our brothers and sisters who died of COVID 19 and other natural calamities. I request you to remain in silence for 2 minutes, paying tribute to these great souls. Let's also remember our student St. Paul who left us recently, the saintly soul in our prayers. Kindly pause for a while. Thank you. Now it is our turn to dedicate ourselves to the service of this great nation, rendering our support to our fellow beings who are suffering, especially who live in coastal areas. And I think today we should also honor COVID 19 warriors, doctors, nurses, and other health workers, and police department in recognition of their noble service in the war against COVID 19 pandemic, and all the kind-hearted person who render their services at an emergency situation, irrespective of all barriers that we have created. There's no religion, no caste, no COVID restrictions. Rich and poor alike all help each other. Yes, let us keep this feeling of oneness and be empathetic towards the people who suffer, and thus be a true patriot. Here I conclude. Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.